Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to teach you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Pb&J for short. Okay, so first you're gonna want bread, whichever bread you want. I am choosing brown bread. So however 2 pieces bread and close up. So like clean while you cook. It's just like a lot easier. Learned that from Ratatouille. Next, get your peanut butter. I'm using Skippy. Wow, that's literally disgusting. Let me mix that together. I might die. That's okay. Just mix it together. This doesn't normally happen, but if it does, no biggie. Check the expo date, just in case, but like, yeah, we're fine. So it's all like nice and creamy like that. Okay. So now get 1 piece of bread and slather it on. Yes, just until it's nice and peanut buttery. Like so. Next, get a different knife. Next, get the jelly. I'm using Smucker's strawberry. That's my favorite. I just take a glob and put it on there. And did I even start the camera? Okay. Just put it on there as much as you can. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to look like. And then you get your 2 pieces like so, and you put them together like so. And that is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Enjoy!